How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Before we get into the video, I just want to share with you where this inspiration of preparing a meal came from. I want to give a shout out to Clueless Mama D for putting this challenge together. It's called the 15-minute meal challenge. I gratefully accepted the challenge, as well as others who have decided to prepare a 15-minute meal for their family as well. So thoroughly excited to share with you the video. With that said, stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. And like always, I like to ask the question, are you hungry? Because I sure am. How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today I'm going to be doing some cooking here at my sister and brother-in-law's house here in San Francisco. They've already prepared some food already. It's not out yet, but it's there in the oven. And I'm just going to go ahead and prep some mushroom hors d'oeuvre. So stick with me as I go ahead and get this prepped up. Alright. I need to wash my hands. It's important to do that. So first of all, we're going to be using crimini mushrooms, the brown mushrooms, not the white ones. What I'm going to do first is I'm just going to place these mushrooms in this tray here so I can wash it first. Just like that. Alright, just like that in here. And I'm going to go wash these first. And just give them a good wash. There you go. Please talk amongst each other because I like the background noises. It's better. So those are all nice and washed. And so I'm going to place this here on the chair. And then what you do is we're going to go ahead and start taking the stems of the mushroom off. You could use a knife, but I typically just use my hands because they come off really easy. Just like that, so you have a nice hollow middle there. And you could just place these back in here, the stems. Unless you want to cook with them, you can use them for whatever. I'm going to place this in the tray. So just like that. Alright, so those are all prepped. Those are all done here. And next thing we're going to do, I'm going to take the imitation crab. Pop it open. We got the imitation crab here. Okay, and we're just gonna slice these up nice and thin, like that. And also put them in a tray. And there might be
10 things you need to know.
Yeah. Actually, it's easier just to squish it and it gets crumbly already. So you don't even need to use a knife to cut them. Just all that pressure shreds the imitation crab. Yeah, just like that. And it's important for you to wash your hands because you're going to be touching everything. So I have this portion here. I'll see if I need any more. I'll crumble up some more. But I'll give it another squeeze here. And it's time for mushroom plating now. Or mushroom stuffing. Okay, so we have the mozzarella cheese. We'll take the cheese, open the cheese up. We'll go ahead and take the crab and put the crab inside of here.
I'll give it to you.
Just like that.
I put these on the traps.
Okay. That's the crab right there. And then take the cheese. Put the cheese right on top. Okay. So you could do it this way. Plate one with the cheese and crab already. Or we can just go ahead and start stuffing them up with crab first like I'm going to do right now. And then cheese will be afterwards. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some cheese on top of these here now. Finish it up. Alright, so here we go. You have the final kind of version of it. The stuffed mushrooms with the crab and cheese. I have an extra one, so I'm just going to go ahead and put these on top. Here you go, stuffed mushrooms. Now this is going to go in the oven at about 350 degrees, and you can leave it in there for about 15-20 minutes. Should be good to go. So let's take this to the oven. That's Kevin, and that's Vivian. Vivian.
Hi, internet.
Just put it right there. Okay. And that'll cook about 15-20 minutes. Should be ready to go. So I'm gonna put it on 375 degrees for about 15 minutes. I'll probably do a little taste test. So this is the spread that Viv and Kev made. Viv calls this, it's actually anti-cancer soup. She made that. And there's all kinds of veggies and carrot juice. So you can see here the anti-cancer soup. One day I'll do a video with Viv. She can make it and show us how she does it.
Do you guys,
so we all can see. Yeah? And then here they have a chicken. Harissa sauce is what Kevin used on the chicken. And looks like they probably put that harissa sauce with the garbanzo beans as well. And some mashed potatoes. So definitely a pretty looking chicken. Looks wonderful. I'm sure it is going to be really wonderful. Alright, first thing I'm going to try is the anti-cancer soup. So here's the soup. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, that's right.
That year's was in April.
No, hers in March.
But my friend Zoda, her birthday is on March too.
That's good, Viv. Yeah. Wow.
Actually, Kevin made this one.
Oh, Kevin made this one? Oh, it's really good. Yeah, I taste the greens. I got mushrooms in here, onions. It says lentil and split peas. Oh man, this is the plate they made me. The chicken plate here.
So one kind of spicy, one's not.
The harissa sauce on the chicken. It looks like they have it on the mashed potatoes. Everything was with the harissa sauce. So Kevin, my brother-in-law, is a really good cook. Challenge to get it kind of cut up, but I was able to manage to get some of that nice skin.
Okay.
Here we go. Yeah. And get some of that chicken here, the chicken meat. All right, here's a really good hefty bite here.
No. Okay, more later then.
That's good.
Okay. So you good to go?
Okay, so there it is. There's the mushroom hors d'oeuvres. Make sure it's ready here. Okay. I'm gonna leave it inside for about 5 more minutes. Let's give this a bite here. Whew.
That's just the right amount for this.
6 maybe?
It's just the right amount. Yeah.
Oh yeah, still a little hot.
Alright, not bad.
You're
Alrighty, so that was it. That was the complete setup for the mushroom hors d'oeuvres. You could possibly leave it in the oven a few more minutes longer to get the mushrooms nice and soft. But other than that, that'll complete this video here of home cooking. I want to thank Vivian and Kevin for allowing us to come here and for making dinner for us here today. So really enjoy that. With that said, peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get more food videos from me. Alright, thanks. Take care. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video of me preparing the stuffed mushrooms for my family. If you're interested in seeing more 15-minute challenges, just click on the playlist 15-minute challenge and you'll see a variety of other people who have also done the challenge as well. So that's about it. Again, thanks to Clueless Mama D for putting this together, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.